If you want to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox, so watch this video till then. So let's get started.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So hello guys, this part you are watching Cyber Life. So in this video I am going to tell how to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox. So first of all, you have to open your browser. So here I open my browser. Now you have to search for VirtualBox for Windows. As I am using a Windows machine, I have to install VirtualBox for Windows. So here you have to click on enter. You can see there are many results. You have to click on download Oracle VM VirtualBox. So when I click on this link, a new web page appears of VirtualBox. Here you can see VirtualBox for platform packages. It means that VirtualBox is available for different platforms like for Windows, for OS X users, for Linux users. So as I am a Windows user, I have to download Windows host. So when I click on this, it will appear where to save. So I click on save, and here the VirtualBox start downloading. So here I downloaded the VirtualBox. So I need the Kali image for VirtualBox, which supports the VirtualBox actually. So here you have to write Kali Linux for VirtualBox. So click on enter, and you can see there are many results. So click on first result as I click, and then a new web page will appear of Kali Linux, and you have to click on Kali Linux. Here you have to click on downloads and Kali Linux, and when you click on this, you can see Kali Linux download. Here Kali Linux 2021.1 is the latest version of Kali Linux. So here Kali Linux is of different platforms. So here it is of live downloader, installer and net installer, and this is for Apple M1. Those who are an Apple user, M1 Apple MacBook M1 user, they have to install from here. But we are using a Windows machine, so I need a Kali Linux VirtualBox. So click on this, and you will see a new web page, and here a new web page appears. Download Kali Linux VirtualBox virtual images. So here we don't need Kali VMware image, we need Kali Linux VirtualBox image. So if you are using a 32-bit operating system, then you have to install this one, and if you are using a 64-bit operating system, you have to download this one. So as I am using a 64-bit operating system, I have to install this one, and here I click on this. This is asking where to save. I have to save on Win Download folder, so click on save. Here the Kali Linux 2021.1 for VirtualBox is started downloading. So when they complete downloading, I will meet you there. So here you can see both the files are downloaded. Here the VirtualBox is downloaded and the Kali Linux OVA file is downloaded. Now you have to double click on VirtualBox, and here I've clicked, and you have to click on run, and it will say preparing to install, and a page like this come. Then you have to click on next, and again click on next. Then you have to agree all this, click on next. As I have already installed VirtualBox, so I do not need to install once again. So you can click on yes and then agree at last. So I will click on no now, as I have already installed, and now as I have already installed, so I have to install the Kali Linux image, OVA image. So you have to click on this. As first of all, you have to install VirtualBox, then you have to install the Kali Linux image. You have to double click on Kali Linux image, and then a page like this come. Then you have to select. You can see that how much type of RAM you have to. If you are using a laptop 4 GB RAM, then you have to give the minimum. You have to give 2048 MB, means 2 GB RAM. Then you don't need to change anything in this. You have to click on import. Then you have to agree here, and when you agree here, then it will import. It will take some time to import the image to VirtualBox, as our image is extracted when it is open in VirtualBox. So here the 3.5 GB image is extracting, and it will take 2 minutes. So here it has completed. Now you can see there is Kali Linux 2021.1. Here I have two more Kali Linux. It is customized for me, but now we have installed this one, and you have to click on start. You can check here that is there any error, as is the base memory is 2 GB RAM, 2048 MB, and I have given two processors, and you can see that I have given 20 GB storage to this, and you can see what is the password for Kali, this operating system. So you can see username is Kali and password is Kali. So you have to click on start. Then you can see a page like of VirtualBox Manager will come. Then you can like this, you can see 2021 VM box VirtualBox is running. So you have to click on this cross. It will automatically start. You don't have to click on option. So let it take its time, and you can see it has started opening. It is automatically taking its resolution. So you can see Kali Linux is starting, as it is a fresh and latest installation of Kali Linux 2021.1. So here you have to enter your username, as we have read that Kali is the username and Kali is the password. When you will click on enter, then you can see Kali Linux is open here. So here I have guided to this one, and you can click on the full resolution. Then you can see Kali Linux is started. Here you can click on terminal, and here you can see that Kali Linux has installed on your computer, and here we can write iwconfig. There are many commands. You don't have to panic on this. I will teach you this in the next video. So let it be, and you have to close this when you will shut down your laptop. So you have to first click on this, and then you have to click on shutdown. Then it will automatically shut down, and then you have to also close the VirtualBox. And now you don't need this image, as it is already imported in the VirtualBox. So you only have to click on VirtualBox, which will appear on your desktop. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you enjoyed this video, share the video, and subscribe our channel for latest videos.